and Disha Gupta. Today's video, as read the title, we are going to vlog today, and this is my first ever vlog. So welcome to the first vlog of Disha Gupta. So this is my birthday, not my birthday, my mom's birthday and Krishna ji's birthday, which is actually at the same date, and it is so occasional and a party time. So today is 10th of August and I have started vlogging today because today I have done all the preparation as mama is not at home and I have got the occasion to prepare the cards. So yeah, I have done. She was asking for only one kind of cards, but I have made two to surprise her. So I would be recording the live reaction of hers when I will be giving the birthday card. So stay tuned for that. You have to see the whole video. And coincidentally, the comment were turned off in the last video, and it wasn't for the shout out. There was some problem. Actually, I am trying to fix it and I will be fixing it today, and if not, we'll cancel the program of shout outs. But yeah, I know who are you. So the first card is this one. I'll just show you. This is like a box explosion card. So this is how it look. I've tried to write my own like glitter sheet like happy birthday. It is actually looking that nice. I'll just show you how it looks. So this is the first card. So it is looking like this. It is all of explosions. The proper unboxing will be coming in like somehow afterwards at the date of the birthday. So I am just showing you how it looks. So this is the first card. This is like an explosion box. And the second card, first I have a plan that first I would be giving her this, and she have asked for the box. I would be saying I have not made, and I would be surprising, and that would be the recording live reaction would be so amazing. Second card looks like this. I have like done this before. Actually, I made it very before. In the starting of August, like a 3rd to 4th, I just made the front card, and today I completed the inside one. So yeah, this is like I have created like a flower, see, with that kind of yellow flowers and purple flower. Purple and pink is my mother's favorite color, so that is why. This is like a green A3 sheet, and I have just get some pictures on it and happy birthday simple, and ribbon I have just get some for frill. And then while opening it, this is how it looks. It looks very pretty. So over here I have written 2 notes which says fearless mom ever, because my mom is the fearless one. Because if she get a bone mark on her, like a bone in her hand, she never give up. She does everything for us. She makes food, she makes everything. So a salute to mom. I love you mom so much. If you are watching this video, you are beautiful mom ever. So here I have a pull card. So when we pull it, unboxing on the 12th of August in this vlog only. While okay, then over here I have get some of my feelings in this little of scroll, and this is like a small card which is full of pictures. This one cute, and some hearts, and this is like 2 pictures over here, and this much only. So I have 2 cards ready for her. Just left is to just hide them all, because hiding is so necessary, because mom checks every single thing. She takes care of every single thing. She doesn't take care of one thing. So I have to just think of the best and just get something the best place to just hide this. So I'll just hide this and catch you. So guys, this is for today. The next vlogging will be starting from the morning of 12 August. So yeah, let's go to 12 August. Right. Hi everyone, today is 12th of August, and as today is Bhagwanji ka birthday or Mama ka birthday. So yeah, let's start the vlog from here. I was just blowing these balloons. I'll show you how many are. There are like a lot of balloons in there, and a lot of balloons. This outfit, it is my today's outfit. I'm just wearing with this suit, and I'll just show you how I look. And mama is wearing this for now. मैं नहा कर आ चुकी हूँ. This is my outfit. I'll show you afterwards my full. I'm deciding कि मम्मी ने अभी थोड़ी सी पूजा करी है, and she will be coming over here. So she will be coming over here, and I will be giving start to go right now, and we have to also decorate. We have to do so many things, and the time is 11:30. So yeah, we'll have a lot of fun. Like it, but she was saying उनको पता है कि वो डब्बे वाला सर्टिफिकेट उनको क्या पता मैंने बनाया. It will be a great reaction, so let's wait for it. I'm so excited and I'm feeling to give it right away, but I have to control my feelings and wait for a while. Okay. Near the 10. Proper unboxing will have shown it. So here I have the booklet and some pictures. You can see every picture in it. And this was a pull-out card, which is Mama actually pulled it. That is why it is over here. I'll just keep it inside. Not contain my feelings. I'm going, but I can't shoot it because my camera ki dead ho chuki hai battery. But I'll tell you what the reaction was, everything in detail. So yeah. Let us go. And her reaction was, I'll tell you in detail, as I said. Okay, when I said in Hindi that मैं देखूँगी गिरा हुआ था कि आप तो नहीं है जो सच्ची बना लिया झूठ बोल so I'm feeling. But she was saying that I have got some black and white photos over here because the printer was black and white. She said that we can do a cover colorful, but I wasn't. That was the delay, but she liked it a lot. Okay. So as I said, you'll get the unboxing in this video only. This is the box. When we open it like this, as I will show you, popping card. Then over here you have to open my phone. So, क्या?
हेलो.
इतने ही थे?
हेलो. हाँ.
हाँ. This card that I made, and this is a box card. This is how it looks. This is a pink sheet with the ribbons around, and happy birthday, Mama. And when we go, it pops out, and it's a scroll over here, something with my feelings, and a heart with a photo, a pull-out card, a mystery picture. Now over here we also have a pull-out photo collage over here, and I have 3 photos in there. And the last in the middle, there is a photo album, and it contains of 4 photos. And Mama wanted this, and I made it, and it was from my heart to her, and I hope she like it. And I have also made one more card, which is like this. When we open, second card is like this. Here is a pull-out card full of photos. Fearless mom ever, beautiful mom ever. And this is a photo collage once again. And then there is a scroll with my feelings, and there is a lovely photo inside which I made. So this is the first one. It says happy birthday, Mama. Not Mama, but it's her birthday, her day. We have a mystery collage containing 4 photos. So the next card is this one. This contains a red ribbon with an heart full of purple color flowers because she loves purple colors, and I added this. And this is some yellow roses on the top. Over here I have some pictures, Nani, Mama, 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 and all the way Mama. And I have decorated it with ribbon frills. Then when we open it, it is a scroll which contains many of my feelings. This is a little book of card. This is two photos, with me one and with her herself. There are some hearts because I love her so much. The card should contain a heart. So this is like a photo album. First photo, second photo, third photo, fourth photo, fifth, and the last one. This is an pull-out card, but before that, over here I've added some key of hers. That is the beautifulest mom ever and the fearless mom ever. And there is the pull-out card which also contains photos. It contains photos. So there's like holy photo and a normal photo and a flower one photo. We have to pull out it from here. The ribbon is over here. So these two cards are ready to rock. Actually the surprise went really nice, and actually I was just trying to get some snaps out of my kurti while my brother will be cooking something for me. I would be adding some pictures in the thumbnail. And yeah guys, while the time is right now 1:50. So we are all done with panjiri making. I'll just show you. It is panjiri. Ready, and I'm ready now. I've paired with the cooling handmade earrings which I only made, and I've done a half tie. So I'm ready now, all set. Jai Shri Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Who are liking the vlog, and I'm just doing everything I can do in this vlog. We have done with puja, and I was eating something that was panjiri, and I have a lot of fun making this vlog and hope you also like it. So now whatever I'll do, I'll record. Yeah, we are planning to cut a cake, and I love chocolate cake, so I have said Mama Papa to bring a chocolate cake because I don't want to like eat today the ice cream cake, because in every occasion like Mother's Day, Father's Day, and anniversary, Mama Papa anniversary, we were having ice cream cake only. So I am like, let me eat it. So I want to get some pics out. I've wear a kurti today as well as I need some pics. So my brother will be for prayer and puja, you can say. It's 11:35, and at 12 mama will be also getting food and all the puja and stuff will be done. So yeah, this is my night outfit. All things are same. Guys, I'm very excited. It's 11:53 p.m. and 12 o'clock होने वाला है. ओकेशन जी हमारे रेती पे जल्दी आने वाले हैं. उनका बोट होने वाला है. So much excited. Isn't it looking? I'm not sleepy. So what do you say?
हो गया.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. जय कन्हैया लाल की. कन्हैया. Bhagwan ji is changing his clothes.
लाल कृष्ण की कीजिए अपनो जन्म सफल कर लीजिए श्री यशोदा को परम दुलारो बाबा की अखियन को तारो गोपिन के प्राणन सो प्यारो इन पर प्राण निछावर कीजे आरती बाल कृष्ण की कीजे बलदाऊ को छोटो भैयो इनको ध्यावे अब इनको अपनो कर लीजिए
Guys, this is today's video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And I don't know how that shout outs get off, but in this video, if the shout outs are there, you like, if the comments are on, you can just give your name. I'll surely give a shout out. I'm really sorry for like last video, I don't know how. So I want to give two calculations. This was the one that if the comments are on, you can just give a shout out. If not, we know you. So the next calculation is the next video will be coming on in the second week and third week of September, because actually my examinations are there, and I cannot also surely say I would be bringing the next video in second or third week of September. So I have to prepare myself very goodly so that I can score rise, and I'm very excited about it. So I would be preparing my best, and we'll meet soon later. But yeah, whenever I'll not make the videos, we'll also complete 1 month on YouTube. So the next video, I hope so, we'll get the 1 month one. So guys, once again, this was today's video. If you like, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel and you're just watching me and having fun, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye. And actually I shot this intro, you were thinking like outfit change, everything change. I am shooting this video after, shooting this intro after, because that day it was 12 a.m. and it was it was midnight, and it was like very sleepy of myself. That is why I didn't shoot. That is why I was shooting my intro today. So goodbye once again. Goodbye.